Alright, I'm going to show you how to dump the Georgetown waste. So all you're going to need is this little guy right here, and then you find this tube here. Underneath here you got the clean out right there, and then up inside here you've got this pole here and this one here. Okay, so first you're going to undo this guy, and then you're going to connect it to here. Look at that. Alright, so now that I've got it connected, you can see here, we've got this one connected with the extender on it, and over here, you've got it connected there. Okay? Simple enough, got it all connected. Now, all we're going to do is just pull the left side, which is the waste. Pull that, it's going to dump out the waste. You can hear it going through the lines. And you do got to make sure it's connected on this side, fully connected. And once that stops, then you're going to pull. Keep the black ones pulled, this left side pulled. Now you're going to pull the right side. It's going to drain all that out. Then after that, we're going to then hook up a water line into right here, and that'll fill that tank up. Before we do that, we'll close these, both of these, and then put water through here and fill that black tank up. Alright, now that I got the water line hooked up right here, again, it goes into this third one where it says black tank fresh. We're putting some water in there right now. We've closed both of these. That one's closed, this one's closed. Waiting for it to fill up a little bit. Then we can pull this black one again, and you'll hear more water get rushed down through here. And then we'll close it again. And we'll wait until it's about 3/4 way full, and then we'll pull it again. That makes sure that everything's been flushed out of it. So I'm gonna go check on the inside to make sure that's 3/4 way full before I open that back up again. It's a warm day today. So you can see here on the block, it's getting 3/4 way full. Whoop. You can see right there, it's on 1/3. It's moving its way up. We're gonna wait until it's at 2/3, and then we're going to then empty that out again. The gray is already emptied because we have already emptied it there. See, gray's empty, black's filling up as we're going right now. If you looked inside the toilet, you'd be able to tell it's filling up right now. So you can tell I got the toilet open. You can hear it in there filling up with water right now. So that's what we're doing, flushing it all out. Alright, there we go, it's at 2/3 right now. So now we're going to go on the outside, flush that all out. So again, we're going to pull this black one once again on the right side, and it's going to dump all that fresh water down through this pipe so that we have a full clean out. Now I'm going to walk over to the hose while it's doing that and turn it off. Alright, now we're just going to disconnect everything. I'm going to disconnect from there first. Well, first off, I'm going to make sure there's nothing inside this line here. See how it's heavy? So we're going to pull it up, lift it up, and get it to drain all the way through on that side. And then that's it. We're going to wrap it up and put it all back together. Thanks for watching.